And I'm back. Let's get this started. So first I'm going to prime my face with this Marc Jacobs primer. And I'm going to go in with my YSL All Hours concealer, and I'm going to use that as a base for my eyeshadow. And I'm going to blend it out with my beauty blender. Now I'm going to go in with my Natasha Denona Sculpt and Glow palette, and I'm going to use the Japanese pressed powder to set that. And this is going to help our eyeshadow blend out easily. And I'm using this MAC 118 brush. Now I'm going to go in with my Charlotte Tilbury palette and this Morphe brush. Morphe M504. I'm going to use this color from the desk area. And I'm going to put that above my crease. And this can be my transition color. Blend, 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 blend. Make sure you're blending. I'm going to use this other brown color with my MAC 224, and I'm going to apply that on the crease. Make sure you're blending it. And I'm going to go in with this beautiful color from the desk eye. And we use this Morphe M166, and I'm going to apply it. I'm going to spray my brush with Fix Plus and apply it to my eye, all over my crease. This color is beautiful. Okay, now I'm going to use this other darker shade with my Morphe M441, and I'm going to apply that to the outer parts of my eyes, just to darken it up. I'm going to apply some to the crease, just a little bit, just dragging it a little bit into the crease. Blending it out with the fresh brush I used with my transition color. I'm going to do my liquid liner, my cat eye. If you want a tutorial on this or want to learn how I do it, I just posted a video of how to do it right before this one. Curling my lashes, and then adding mascara. So my lashes will mix in with my fake lashes. Same to the other eye. Curling my lashes again on the other side and mascara. Gotta do the same to both. And I'm gonna add these beautiful lashes by Velour, and they're in the style Strike a Pose, and I'm using my House of Lashes eyelash glue to apply my lashes. Start by applying it at the outer corner and then the inner corner. Oh, they're so pretty. Now I'm going to go in with my MAC Fix Plus again. I'm sprayed my face. And then I'm going to go in with my foundation. Apply that all over your face, obviously. Blend it down to your neck. Now I'm going to go in back with my YSL concealer and apply it under my eyes to cover my bags. And then blend, blend, blend. I don't know what I would do without my beauty blender. I'm going to go back in with my Natasha Denona Sculpt and Glow palette. And I mean, you can use any powder you want or have. And I'm going to set that concealer again with my MAC brush 116. You don't have to use the exact same products I'm using. There's a lot of dupes out there. Anything you have, you can use. And I'm going to bronze my face with this Marc Jacobs bronzer. And I'm going to be using this MAC brush. 168. I'm bronzing all over my face. I'm going to go in with my NARS blush. It's so beautiful. And it's in the shade Orgasm. I'm going to be applying it with this Morphe brush. Going in with this highlighter and my Anastasia brush and highlighting my face. My nose, my cupid's bow, my chin. I'm going to do a little bit of contouring on my nose, and I'm using the same bronzer I used. Putting a little bit on the sides of my nose. I'm going to go back in with that transition color I used, and I'm going to put it right under my lash line, my bottom lash line. Really tight. Really tight in there. And then blending it out with a pencil brush. Blend. You gotta blend everything out in makeup. Back in with my highlighter and this tiny little Morphe brush 213, highlighting the inner parts of my eyes. Mascara to my bottom lashes. I'm going to do my eyebrows with my Anastasia pencil. And I believe I'm using the shade Chocolate. And I'm going to go in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid lipstick in Ashton. And I mean, you can use pretty much any color with this eye look. I just chose this one. And spray some makeup setting spray. Push that in with your beauty blender like I am. And then you'll be done. Thank you guys for watching.